So this is the project explanation for air quality monitoring system. Now we have connected all the sensors to the Raspberry Pi, and you have to use your mobile phone Type-C charger and connect it to the external adapter only. Don't connect to the laptop USB, connect it to the external adapter. If you are using HDMI, you can connect to the HDMI television. Else we will share you videos where you can see the screen sharing using the mobile phone hotspot. So before connecting the Raspberry Pi 4, you have to create a mobile phone hotspot. And the hotspot settings should be small letters project 1 2 3 4. Okay, and follow the other videos where we will show you how to screen share the Raspberry Pi, and thereafter we will provide you an Android app for air quality monitoring system. Here you can see the live data, and this is the download button where you can download the data into the Excel format, as well as there is a link for air quality monitoring system with our URL. So if you are okay with our URL, you can just type this, and you will also get the option to export to Excel. And if you click export to Excel, it will download into the file, and this will download into the laptop. So you can say that you are going to use this as the data set. And also for the data set which we have taken, we will be using another link that I will show you that at the end part. Now after connecting and setting up your every data on the desktop, you will have two icons. So one icon is sensors monitoring, other one is the prediction. So let us see first the sensor monitoring. I have cleared the previous data, and the data will be updated for every 60 seconds. So for this purpose, you double click on this icon. So if you double click on this one, the application starts, and it will start to take the data from the sensors and update into the Android app. Don't run this Android app in the background, as we are not hosting into the Play Store. So it is better you run in the foreground only to view the live data. So that 16:43 the time the live data was updated, and same way if you refresh this link, the new data will be shown here with the date and time. Okay, so let's see another data update. Exactly every 60 seconds the program starts to take the data and input the data into the DB. So now you can see exactly around 60 seconds it will take the data. The data is updated here, and the new data you can also see in your server. If you export to Excel, it will be downloaded in the form of Excel. And only one thing is remaining is update to the Thingspeak. It will do it once you see this video. If you are okay with everything, then we will update the same data into the Thingspeak account. Okay, so now after getting this data updating into the sensor, I will just vary some sensors using the in the stick, so that you can see the variations. So this is your MQ7 sensor. I'm just varying the value now. Let's see the value variation. Now you can see the CPU CO value has changed to 9. Same way, if you apply the stick to this sensor, our air quality gas sensor also, the data will change. Let's see in the next update. Previously it was 13. In the same way also you can heat the temperature sensor to change the temperature value. First let us test the AQ sensor value. Now you can see AQ sensor value increased. So same way, if you keep the temperature sensor, heat the temperature sensor, the humidity and the temperature value also changes. Now heating the temperature sensor. Now you can see the temperature is increased to a degree. Okay. So this is the way you have to run the application for sensor monitoring, and the same do the variations using the stick or any alcoholic gas sensors, those all things, and the same data will be uploaded over online. So this is your sensor side application.